Assalamu alaikum. How are you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I really hope that all of you are healthy, wealthy, and wise. Today's video is really fun and really interesting, especially for girls who love Mehndi. And as a girl, I also love Mehndi. Especially the Pakistani girls and the Indian girls love to wear it. And today I have some crazy ideas related to Mehndi. I have a lot of designs of Mehndi, and this Mehndi is also known as henna in some countries, and girls love it the most, especially in weddings, in Eid, our celebration day, and especially in our special days we use Mehndi. And today I have a lot of crazy ideas related to Mehndi, which I am going to share with you guys. We use the same designs, same traditional designs in every event, in weddings, in Eid, in any event. We used to use the same designs, and it was so boring, and I thought that we should make something different. So here I am with another video on henna. Okay, so let's get started. Finally, it has been done. Look. have some different ideas for you guys क्योंकि अब मैं उल्टे हाथ से तो नहीं लगा सकती, इसलिए फिर मैं आपके लिए न्यू डिज़ाइन बनाए हैं, पेपर के ऊपर बनाए हैं। एंड दिस इज इट। पहले अपना हैंड का स्केच पूरा इसके ऊपर लगाया और उसके बाद फिर मैंने ये छोटी सी बटरफ्लाई बनाई इस फ्लावर के साथ। ये छोटी सी एक और बटरफ्लाई, ये सारा ओके। एंड you can also draw this butterfly, okay? फिर हम यहाँ रखते जाते हैं। You can make a heart, okay, like this. And you can make a butterfly like this. And then we have a heart like this. Okay, so I washed my hand and look at this design. Wow, I really like it. And this, and we have some other designs. Look, queen. Where do I sit here? And you can also write something like love yourself and always be my sunshine, or you always be your own sunshine, and that's it. Yeah, so this is all for today, and I hope you like these ideas, and if you do, please comment below and let me know. Share and subscribe to my channel so that I can make more of these videos, and if you want to suggest something, please do suggest. Do like, share and subscribe my video if you love it. Bye bye.